It's Gianna Lum at Convincing Crypto, where we keep you in the loop on all the latest trends and news on crypto and blockchain technology. I'm still cat sitting for a friend. Lena's actually right behind the camera trying to knock it down. Lena, go to the side. She's really playful today and is super interested in the camera. But today, I have a real quick update for the Cardano community. Something big is about to happen. As always, though, this video is not an endorsement for any project on Cardano in any way. Please do your own research before investing in anything. All right, let's dive into the news today. Here's a tweet the Cardano Foundation, the nonprofit arm of the Cardano blockchain, tweeted. Binance is now sponsoring the Cardano Summit. Join Binance CEO Richard Tang and our CEO Frederick Gregard for a fireside chat on building resilient, high-performing organizations, a must-see for anyone in blockchain. Tickets available. Get yours now at summit.cardano.org/registration. The fact that Binance, a major crypto exchange, is sponsoring the Cardano Summit is super duper bullish. They haven't quite announced yet if Binance is going to list Cardano native tokens, but I have a feeling it's going to happen soon. Let me know what you think, though, in the comments below. In my opinion, it's not a matter of if, but when. And as always, if you see any crypto scams in the comments or in the ads, please report them. There's so many fake airdrops, fake giveaways, and people pretending to be financial advisors, and we've got to make sure everybody in the crypto community remains safe. That's it for us today. Feel free to like, subscribe, comment your thoughts. Feel free to share this with your friends who know this content, and I'll see you next time, everyone. Bye!